songs that told our stories, the music that made us fall in love. This 2026, relive the golden era of OPM with the maestro himself, Ray Valera. Every lyric, every note brings back the memories we'll never forget.
Join the maestro Ray Valera as he serenades Canada with his greatest hits, songs that shaped our hearts and our stories.
Kay sarap ng may minamahal. Yun, sa Valentine yan ha. Mga kababayan ko dyan sa Vancouver, Canada. Si Ray Valera po ako. At kung wala lang po kayong ginagawa sa February 27, magkita-kita po tayo yan sa Massey Theater. Doon po yan sa New Westminster. Okay? Magkita-kita tayo ha. Magkantahan tayo doon. Right? Kahit maputi na ang buko. Yun. Tawi.
Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.